Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Practice English with Us.
Hi, Dosto. We are so happy you are here today. How are you feeling? Ready to learn some English?
Today's topic is very simple and very useful. How to talk about your family.
Yes, we all talk about family, so this is something you can use every day.
We will keep it easy. Short sentences, simple words, and lots of practice.
And don't forget, listen, repeat, and speak with us. You are learning step by step.
If you enjoy this, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
All right, let's start learning.
1. Basic family words. Let's start with basic family words.
Listen first. My family.
Now you say it. My family.
Good job.
Here are some important words. Father, mother, brother, sister.
Listen again. This is my father.
Repeat. This is my father.
Nice.
Example. My father is 40 years old.
My mother is very kind.
My brother is a student.
My sister is funny.
Now you try. Talk about your family.
Part 2. Talking about family members. Now let's make simple sentences.
Listen. I have a small family.
Repeat. I have a small family.
Or you can say, I have a big family.
Example. I have 2 brothers.
I have 1 sister.
Good.
Let's try together. I have...
Pause and say your sentence.
That's great. You're improving already.
Part 3. Jobs and daily life. Now let's talk about what your family does.
Listen. My father is a teacher.
Repeat. My father is a teacher.
My mother is a homemaker.
My mother is a homemaker.
My sister studies in school.
My sister studies in school.
Very simple, right? Now your turn. My is a...
Say it slowly. No pressure.
Part 4. Describing family. Now let's describe family members.
Listen. My mother is kind.
Repeat. My mother is kind.
My father is hardworking.
My brother is friendly.
My sister is smart.
You can also say, they are very nice.
Now try one sentence. My is...
Take your time.
Part 5. Simple conversation practice. Now let's do a small conversation. Just listen first.
Hi, tell me about your family.
I have a small family.
Who is in your family?
My father, my mother, and my sister.
What does your father do?
He is a driver.
Nice.
Now listen again and repeat the same conversation slowly.
Now you speak with us.
I will ask, you answer. Tell me about your family.
Good. Who is in your family?
Nice answer.
What does your father do?
Amazing. Keep going.
Part 6. Real life examples.
Let's share some real lifestyle sentences.
My family lives in a small city.
My family lives in a small city.
My mother cooks very well.
My father watches TV in the evening.
My brother plays cricket.
My sister likes music.
These are real sentences. You can use them every day.
Try one now. My family.
Great effort.
Part 7. Repeat practice.
Let's repeat important sentences again. I have a small family.
My father is kind.
My mother cooks food.
I have 1 brother.
My family is happy.
Repeat again. One more time.
Yes, repetition helps a lot.
Part 8. Talking about family activities. Now let's talk about what your family does every day.
Yes, daily activities. Very useful for real conversations.
Listen first. My family eats dinner together.
Repeat. My family eats dinner together.
Good job.
Another example. We watch TV in the evening.
Repeat. We watch TV in the evening.
Nice.
More examples. My father goes to work.
My mother cooks food.
My brother studies at night.
My sister helps my mother.
Now you try. My family.
Pause and speak.
Great. Keep going. Part 9. Talking about likes and dislikes.
Now let's talk about what your family likes.
Listen. My father likes tea.
Repeat. My father likes tea.
My mother likes cooking.
My brother likes cricket.
My sister likes music.
Now let's talk about dislikes.
My father does not like coffee.
My sister does not like spicy food.
Repeat one sentence. My blank likes blank.
Good.
Part 10. Talking about age.
Now let's talk about age. This is very common in conversations.
Listen. My father is 40 years old.
Repeat. My father is 40 years old.
My mother is 35 years old.
My mother is 35 years old.
I am 18 years old.
I am 18 years old.
My brother is 10 years old.
Now your turn. I am blank years old.
Nice. Part 11. Where your family lives.
Now let's talk about where your family lives.
Listen. My family lives in a village.
Repeat. My family lives in a village.
Or, my family lives in a city.
Example. We live in Varanasi.
Our house is small.
Our house is big.
Now try. We live in.
Very good.
Part 12. Daily routine conversation. Now let's practice a conversation. Listen first.
Tell me about your family.
I have a small family.
What do you do together?
We eat dinner together.
What does your father do?
He works in an office.
Nice.
Now listen again. Repeat slowly.
Now you speak. Answer the questions. Tell me about your family.
Great.
What do you do together?
Nice answer.
What does your father do?
Great job.
Part 13. Talking about weekend activities. Now let's talk about weekends.
Listen. On Sunday, we visit our grandparents.
Repeat. On Sunday, we visit our grandparents.
We go to the market.
We go to the market together.
We watch movies together.
We cook special food. Now you try. On Sunday. Very nice.
Part 14. Talking about family feelings.
Now let's talk about feelings.
Listen. I love my family.
Repeat. I love my family.
My family is important to me.
My family is important to me.
They support me.
Now your turn. I feel blank with my family.
Good. Part 15. Long practice conversation.
Now we will do a longer conversation. Just listen first.
Hi. Tell me about your family.
I have a big family.
Who is in your family?
My parents, my brother, and my sister.
Where do you live?
We live in a city.
What do you do together?
We eat dinner and watch TV together.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
Nice.
Now listen again. Repeat slowly.
Now you speak.
Answer the questions. Hi. Tell me about your family.
Great.
Who is in your family? Nice.
Where do you live?
Good job. What do you do together?
Excellent.
Part 16. Repetition. All right, let's start with final practice. This is very important.
Yes, we will repeat, speak, and build confidence.
Listen first. I have a small family.
Repeat. I have a small family.
Good job.
Again. I have a big family.
Repeat again, slowly.
Nice.
Now listen. There are 4 people in my family.
Repeat. There are 4 people in my family.
You can change the number.
Try now. There are people in my family.
Very good.
Next sentence. My father is very kind.
Repeat. My father is very kind.
My mother is very caring.
My brother is funny.
My sister is smart.
Now your turn. My is.
Take your time. Speak clearly.
Let's practice jobs again.
Listen. My father is a teacher.
Repeat. My father is a teacher.
My mother is a homemaker.
My brother is a student.
My sister works in an office.
Now you say, my is a.
Great effort. Now daily activities.
Listen. We eat dinner together.
Repeat. We eat dinner together.
We watch TV in the evening.
We talk and laugh together.
Now you try. We.
Nice speaking.
Let's practice likes.
Listen. My father likes tea.
Repeat. My father likes tea.
My mother likes cooking.
My brother likes cricket.
My sister likes music.
Now your turn. My likes is.
Good. Now feelings.
Listen. I love my family.
Repeat. I love my family.
I feel happy with my family.
My family supports me.
Now you say, I feel with my family.
Very nice. Part 17. Full speaking practice.
Now we will do full speaking practice.
First, listen carefully.
Hi, tell me about your family.
I have a small family.
Who is in your family?
My father, my mother, and my brother.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
What do you do together?
We eat dinner and watch TV together.
Nice.
Now listen again. Repeat slowly.
Now your turn. Answer with us.
Hi, tell me about your family.
Speak now.
Good. Who is in your family?
Nice answer.
What does your father do?
Great. What do you do together?
Amazing.
Part 18. Build your own answer. Now you will speak longer.
Use these sentences. I have a, there are, my father is, my mother is, we.
Now speak 3 to 5 sentences about your family.
Take your time.
You are doing great.
Part 19. Repeat again for confidence. Let's repeat everything one more time.
Say it. I have a small family.
There are 4 people in my family.
My father is kind.
My mother cooks food.
We live in a city.
We eat together.
I love my family.
Repeat again. Confidence is growing. Keep going.
Part 20. Speaking about family. Slow practice. Now we continue with more speaking practice. Stay relaxed and speak slowly.
Yes, slow English is good English.
Listen first. My family is very important to me.
Repeat. My family is very important to me.
Good job.
Another sentence. I spend time with my family.
Repeat.
I spend time with my family.
Nice. Now try. I spend time with.
Great speaking. Part 21. Talking about morning time with family.
Now let's talk about morning time. Listen. In the morning, I talk to my family.
Repeat. In the morning, I talk to my family.
We have breakfast together.
Repeat. We have breakfast together.
My mother makes breakfast.
My father reads the newspaper.
Now your turn. In the morning.
Good. Keep speaking. Part 22. Asking questions about family.
Now let's learn how to ask questions.
Listen. How many people are in your family?
Repeat. How many people are in your family?
Another question. What does your father do?
Repeat. What does your father do?
Do you have a brother?
Repeat. Do you have a brother?
Now you ask. How many?
Nice. Part 23. Answering questions naturally.
Now let's answer these questions.
Listen. There are 5 people in my family.
Repeat. There are 5 people in my family.
I have 1 brother.
My father is a driver.
My mother is a homemaker.
Now your time. I have.
Very good. Part 24. Mini conversation practice.
Now listen to a short conversation.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have 1 brother.
What does your father do?
He is a shopkeeper.
Nice.
Now listen again.
Repeat slowly. Now you answer. How many people are in your family?
Good. Do you have a brother?
Nice answer.
What does your father do? Excellent. Part 25. Talking more about family life.
Now let's speak more.
Listen. My family is simple and happy.
Repeat. My family is simple and happy.
We help each other.
Repeat. We help each other.
We spend time together.
Now you try. My family is...
Very nice. Part 26. Build confidence with longer sentences. Now let's make longer sentences.
Listen. I have a small family and we live in a city.
Repeat. I have a small family and we live in a city.
My father works in an office and my mother cooks food.
Repeat. My father works in an office and my mother cooks food.
Now your turn. I have a and...
Good. Part 27. Final speaking practice.
Now final speaking practice.
Speak 4 to 6 sentences about your family.
Use these. I have, there are, my father, my mother, we.
Take your time. Speak slowly.
You are doing amazing. Wrap up.
That was a great session.
You practiced speaking, asking, and answering about your family.
You are getting better every day.
Remember, practice makes you confident.
Before we go, here's your question.
Tell us in the comments. What do you do with your family in the morning?
We would love to hear from you.
See you in the next episode.
Keep learning and keep speaking.
Bye.